welcome back dear students. Now I am going to discuss about the use of be verb in simple present tense. First, look at the examples I have given here. I am a teacher. Subject am be verb. Thereafter a teacher complement. Look here, that means subject be verb I am using here. Second one, he is a doctor. He subject is be verb a doctor, it is a complement. Similarly, they are artists. They subject are be verb, artists complement. And these are all assertive sentence. And in imperative sentence also, in simple present tense we can use be verb, like be careful. Be, it is MV1 and therefore careful, it is adjective. Now I am turning them. First one, I am a teacher. If I turn this sentence into a negative sentence, it will be like this: I am not a teacher. Like this. That means not is placed just after am. Similarly, if I say the second one, he is a doctor. If I want to make it negative, second one, he is not a doctor. Not is placed just after be verb is. Similarly, third one, they are artists. They are artists. If I want to make it negative, it will be like this: they are not artists. They are not artists. Here also not is placed just after the be verb are. And the fourth one, which is an imperative sentence, if I want to make it negative, it will be like this: don't be careful. Don't be careful, like this. Be careful, it is an imperative sentence. If I want to make it negative, I have to do like this: don't be careful, in this way. Similarly, if I want to make the first sentence into interrogative affirmative, then what will be? First one will be am I a teacher? Am I a teacher? Question mark. Similarly, he is a doctor. It will be like this: is he a doctor? Is he a doctor? Second one, it will be is he a doctor? Is he a doctor? Question mark. Similarly, third one also, if I want to make it interrogative affirmative, it will be like this: are they artists? Are they artists? Are they artists? Question mark. In this way, the three sentences we can make them into interrogative affirmative. The fourth one is imperative, that's why it cannot be changed into interrogative sentence. Now, if I want to make these sentences into interrogative negative, then first one will be like this: am I not? Am I not a teacher? Am I not a teacher? Question mark. And if I want to use here shortened form or contracted form, then I have to write like this, or we can do in this way: amn't I? It is wrong. Wrong means, actually, if I say amn't I a teacher, it sounds very awkward. It sounds very odd. That's why if I want to use shortened form here, I have to do like this: aren't I? Aren't I Aren't I a teacher? Aren't I a teacher? Actually, I should take am, but amn't I in negative interrogative sentence is not a good expression, and it sounds very odd, awkward. That's why we should use aren't I a teacher in abbreviation or in shortened or contracted form. Similarly, second one, second one, if I want to make it into negative interrogative, it will be like this. He is a doctor. Is he not? Is he not a doctor? Is he not a doctor? Or we can use shortened form like this. Isn't he a doctor? Isn't he a doctor? Question mark. In this way also we can do. Similarly, third one also, they are artists. If I want to make this sentence into interrogative negative, it will be like this. Are they not? Are they not artists? Are they not artists? Or in a shortened form we can do in this way. Aren't they? Aren't they artists? Aren't they artists? In this way we can change interrogative sentences into negative, particularly in case of be verb. This is the special use of be verb in simple present tense. Okay, bye.